Today we'll be unboxing the latest model in the DJI lineup. This is the Mavic Mini. It's an ultralight drone weighing in at only 249 grams, and it housing some amazing features for not only the newbie drone owner but also the professional drone pilot that is looking to add another tool to their arsenal. This drone houses a 3-axis gimbal. It can fly for up to 30 minutes, and it has a 12 megapixel 2.7K video resolution. This is great for a drone of this size. Myself personally, it's going to add to my portability and transport sort of needs. It's easier to throw this drone into a backpack and head out to the mountains or to any sort of scenic area versus carrying my existing Mavic Pro and batteries and controller in a much larger cumbersome bag. So I'm looking forward to testing this drone out, as well as using it in the field as and when I have the opportunity. So yeah, today we're going to unbox it and just have a look what's actually inside the box and how big it is in real life comparisons. Everyone's seen it on YouTube and it's hard to actually see how big it is in real life, but yeah, let's begin the unboxing. I forgot to mention I've got the standard combo here, which is available currently in South Africa. It retails at 6,999 Rand, and yeah, we're hoping to get the Fly More combo in later this month. Unfortunately, obviously stock is limited of that, and there's a huge worldwide demand for this new product. But let's open up the standard combo and see what we can get. Sure, as you can see, the drone is extremely small. It's actually smaller than the existing Mavic controller, and yeah, quite a neat DJI sort of packaging layout as usual, as one would expect from them. Here we have the drone, and as you can see, the drone is minute. It folds up like all the existing Mavics in the same configuration, with the two arms folding inwards and the bottom arms folding below and inwards. The battery in this, I believe, slots into the back, and we've got a gimbal protector very similar to that of the Mavic 2. The props seem to come without a quick attachment. I think this was to reduce weight, and they would be screwed on individually versus a quick style release mechanism. Not a huge compromise, but that's a nice design feature from DJI. Next we'll have a look at the controller, and so far it looks like a standard Mavic or Spark controller with the nice features of the removable sticks. That was always a problem with my Mavic Pro, is the sticks didn't remove, and I wish they had made a modification or a feature where you could actually get these sticks detachable. But as you can see here, they screw on nice and easily, and you can then control the drone with a full-size controller like you would any other of the DJI products. It's got the same connection OTG cable that would connect to your iPhone or Android, as well as to charge the remote from there. And we've got the familiar capture and record buttons, as well as a gimbal pitch wheel on the left hand side. This remote operates off Wi-Fi, so it's not the OcuSync like the Mavic 2, but I think for a drone of this size it should be more than sufficient. Moving on, we've got another small box in here, which I suppose contains some cables and manuals. Here we've got the USB, I think it's a USB-C cable that would be used for charging the drone and uploading footage. As well as we've got some spare remote controller extensions, some spare propellers, and then just the OTG cables that can be used for all the different devices. We've got a Lightning USB-C and a micro USB. Then we've also got a small DJI screwdriver, which will be used to change the propellers should you require a propeller change on the drone. You also have your manuals, product manuals and warranties and quick start guides for the drone. Moving on to the Mavic, we've got the standard folding mechanism. So let's pull this apart here and see how it opens out. Top arms first, and then let's remove the sticker, and then bottom arm second. And there's the Mavic fully unfolded. Size wise, you can see it's a little bit bigger than my palm. It's a little bit bigger than the Spark, I believe, but it should outperform the Spark by a lot. It's got many more features above and beyond what the DJI Spark had, like a 3-axis gimbal, 30-minute flight time. Obviously it's foldable and easily transportable, and there's many new other cool skins that you can buy to create your own drone and customize it to your own look. The battery, I believe, will be housed in the back here. And here's the battery. It's quite a big battery, and when the battery's out of the drone, it actually weighs pretty much nothing. It's quite incredible how light they've made this drone. The plastic used is obviously very lightweight, and all they've gone for is minimizing anything that would weigh extra. So you can't expect a super strong drone, but you can expect a light, long flying drone. Maybe for less windy conditions, but a great drone nonetheless. And battery wise, we've got looks like a 3-cell lithium. It's a 2-cell lithium polymer, and it's 2-cell 2400 milliamp lithium ion battery. And in the Fly More package there will be 3 of these. In the standard package there is 1 included, and it simply clips in. It slides into the battery tunnel like this and clips in, and you're ready to go. You would charge the battery from the back of the drone using the micro USB cable, and you can fit in an SD card or micro SD card correction to record your footage on. Other than that, the gimbal clips off from the front. Let's just remove the sticker. And there we've got the gimbal. Very similar in style to the Mavic 2 Pro with a full 3-axis gimbal. It houses a similar camera to the Mavic Pro, however that gimbal design replicates that of the Mavic 2. This drone should be really excellent, and I look forward to flying it soon after charging up the batteries and updating the firmware. Yeah, so the drones are available. They are in stock at the moment. If you would like to place an order, please contact us on info@skylinevisuals.co.za. Alternatively, visit our website and we will have the products available on there where you can order and make a payment for the drone, and they'll be coming out to you soon. Thanks for watching.